Everything that we get from nature is free. Again I repeat it, everything that we get from nature is free. Thank you.
Candidates, attention.
Let us have a poem recitation. Poem recitation. Good morning everybody. My name is Vibran. Now I recite the poem. We was weaving at break of day. We was weaving at break of day when. Why do we weave? Why do we weave a garment so gay, blue as the wing of a halcyon white? We weave the robes of a newborn child. We was weaving a wall of night. Why do we weave a garment so bright? We was weaving soulman and steel. What do we weave in the moonlight shell? White as a feather and white as a cloud. We weave the dead man's funeral shroud. Thank you.
Candidates, attention.
Let us have a conversation between two friends about information technology.
I'm so fine.
Okay, Kavya, I'll ask you a question.
Okay, ask.
Our school has got 3 awards from the Department of Science and the cash prizes of 5,000 each to the 3 students who have got. These children, so good attempt. Now we have K. Pojita of the 10th class. Now we have a third going to D. Namrata of the 8th class. Congratulations to the winners and a good round of applause once again.
Karim Khan ji, the convener of today's inspection committee, and Mrs. Jyoti Aparna, member of this today's inspection committee. Dear staff members and dear more children, a very warm good morning to everyone. Good morning, sir. Today, as you know that Karim Khan ji and Aparna madam is going to inspect our school to get a CBSE affiliation. Call them as cars, 4 cars, and they have car masters and their assistants with the help of head boy, head girl, deputy head boy, and other apex body members. We control the discipline here, sir, and regularly we conduct the assembly only down, not on the stage. Today we didn't have, we had this one. We are going to construct a new few classrooms upstairs, sir. That time we are going to have the permanent stage here, sir. Once again, I welcome these 2 members and I request Karim Khan ji to address the gathering. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present here. Indeed, it's a proud privilege to be on this dais. Of course, every day I attend the assembly in my school also, but coming out of our shell into a new place like this, almost away from the maddening crowd of the cities, this is a very, very serene located institution. Children, you are all very blessed to have such an organization in a very unpolluted atmosphere, amidst lot of greenery everywhere, and all your staff members waiting to gear you up in the direction which we all think of. I feel the student life, especially in the schooling, is the most wonderful time any child can have. This particular age is such, you have lots of energy, only thing you need to focus it. All your energies are to be focused onto one particular goal, which is very essential. If you have a proper goal setting, parents at home and teachers in the school work as co-partners to shape you and reach the goal which you have set. So I see a number of students whenever I pass by any place, but in the today's scenario, especially in a country like India, where the students have lots of intelligence, focus, hard-working nature, etc. They also have one sort of a weakness, of course, not actually a weakness, but we all try to the other culture, because always culture gives us lot of information.
Inspection report, yeah. Yes, yeah. 8 or 9. 7 also. Your teacher know or some other students, because some
Arts of way of life,
here what is the use of maths lab? Same thing can't you do in class? In a regular class is there, na? Can't you do? Why do we need one?
that you can give that answer correctly, man and maths.
In daily life, we use maths to do sports, computer, space, aeronautics, social, physics, medicine, codes, architecture, physics, biology, music, and chemistry. These are the things which we use in daily life. These are related to math and maths.
My question is, why do we need a math?
We can understand it.
When we were studying in schools, we were not having any mathematics laboratory. Whereas you are lucky enough that you have such a nice laboratory.
Established lab.
We can understand more better by seeing the pictures and
Yes.
the things, so that we can understand more better than in class.
Okay. This girl.
In middle that
Is
was
scientist or mathematician?
in middle that was right
No,
angle.
whether he is scientist or mathematician? Pythagoras. Scientist. Okay.
In middle that was right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means each one angle has 90 degrees. Then we call it as right angle triangle. In the opposite side of right angle triangle, it is a hypotenuse and down base, and the left side of perpendicular. We can call base and perpendicular is equal to like, and the name is lex. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to base plus perpendicular. 5 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. 5 square 25 is equal to 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16. So 9 plus 16 is equal to 12. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to base plus perpendicular.
Okay, very good. Yes, last year we celebrated 150th year of interest in mathematics here. What is its importance? Do you remember? Anyone of you how to counting? How it makes it easy? Children, you know. Your children are going to the abacus class.
No,
Is there in Aragali? Only the abacus class is there.
Many classes.
Very nice. Collection of data presentation.
Non-cricket.
You can accommodate more
students. In chairs you can use anywhere else.
You can use in
MCQs. The children will write the answers in the submit towards the end of the lesson.
how many books are there, madam? Do you have your
What are the categories you have now? What categories? What is the ratio of books and
monthly magazines or
ratio? That's what. I just asked her what should be the ratio of the books with the number of students. 5 books for each student.
So next year we should have 4,000 books.
It is very cheap also. No?
Subsidized rate is they'll come at
News service program, something like that.
The news, these two are must. Let the student get hard for the day. News. In the special item, it is up to you.
News of the international news, national news,
There is
local news, and campus news. These four will be there.
Internal library, but as Madam told, you have to procure more books. Boys కింద ఉన్నాయి ఇది ఒకటి
ఓపెన్ కూడా ఉంటుంది.
గర్ల్స్
Girls ki bigger than this, almost double sir.
రిపోర్ట్ రాయాలని ఉన్నాయి అదేవిధంగా వాటర్ డ్రింకింగ్ ఫెసిలిటీస్
The plan is there. To be frank, it's not pickup. We have started maintaining.
Like that, 9 members, sir.
And what are the classes you are in? Which subject? Okay? Right.
I'm R.P. Madam. I'm teaching computer science from 6th to 10th. My name is Kalyani. I'm second class in Church.
My name is Apni Pandyan. I computer engineering in Sahitya Shastra and I'm teaching on 5th class Hindi.
My name is Mary Subramanian. My 6th and 7th class.
I am Prashanti madam. I am handling mathematics
am dealing third, fourth, sixth mathematics. I am Leela Satyasree, BCom English madam. I am handling third, fourth.
I am Sridevi sir, MA B.Ed. I am dealing UKG and first class Telugu.
I am DS Lakshmi, social faculty.
My name is Nagarajya Lakshmi. My qualification is BA, B.Ed and Master of Science and degree UKG class.
I am Lakshmi Murthy ma'am. I have done my MA B.Ed in English and I am handling 8th, 9th, 9th and 10th state board and up to 8th CBSE.
I am Sukhi Bai, my qualification is MA from where I am handling second, fourth, fifth also.
My name is Sheikh Reshma madam. My qualification is BA. I am handling the LKG.
And my dear colleagues, very good evening to all of you. Whatever I want to say, madam, almost all she completed. So it always less scope for the people to speak. It's very nice, madam. Actually, in fact, most of you know about CBSE. Sir must be knowing why he applied for CBSE application.
Sir, actually, sir, coming to the point to the state board syllabi, actually, by hearting the things and presenting the same thing, as Madam told, towards the end of the year, within 2.5 hours or 3 hours, somebody writes the examination, and then there itself it will be decided that he failed or passed. But the CBSE is something different, holistic.
Our education system. Section of the CCE, as Sir, Madam already told that prior to implementation of CCE, how the students degree, there is a lot of changes are there in evaluation system. When I was writing my degree examination, 10 questions were given for 100 marks. Only you have to attempt 60 marks out of 100. Now, scoring 160 marks is very easy. Because evaluation system has been revamped in such a way that the biodata of the student. Because every year the class teacher changes. Whatever biodata you are maintaining, whenever he is child is promoted, sometimes we are maintaining anecdotal records. How many of you maintaining anecdotal records? In which a child, and there are, as you know, there are all progress report has been divided into 3 parts. Part 1 academic performance, that is scholastic. Part 2 post-scholastic, that is 2A life skills are there. Nowadays, more importance has been given to life skills.
We have divided the children in groups. Well, in advance, the questionnaire was prepared, and children were taken to Kalita village, and they have collected the information by going to each door, whether they have kachi water opportunity outunara leda, sanitation ela undi, chemical veyinchara leda, like unless or otherwise the water is chlorinated or filtered, what are the diseases would be caught. So these children, they know theoretically. When they go there and observe the things, they came to know that.
What is meant by atom?
Molecule.
Atom is
In molecule 2 or more, simply is called molecule.
okay. The combination of 2 atoms is called as a molecule.
Yes, sir.
What is meant by element? Jyoti. Jyoti. What is meant by element?
An element that is one more molecules combined atoms.
Ignesh or law.
A mixture is a substance. That is combined together.
called mixture. Very good. What is mentioned?
Chemical scent is a substance that
Sir, what do you say now?
is chemicals
Chemicals. And which will new substance. That is called what here? Chemical. Very good. Today in this lesson I will explain how the carbon is completely displaced from its salt solution.
hydrochloric acid.
Today in this lesson I will explain how the carbon is completely displaced from its solution. Okay. See here. First of all, just you have to take that 2 beakers. Just you take the 2 beakers. Okay. And after that you have to take one salt, that is what here, copper sulfate. Sulfate. SULPHATE. Copper sulfate.
Topic names of them. Chemical changes.
Chemicals and okay. First of all, you have to take the 2 beakers. Okay. In that beaker, just you place some amount of copper sulfate. And if you are observe the formula of copper sulfate, the formula of the copper sulfate is CuSO4. What is that formula?
CuSO4.
And if you are observe this copper sulfate substance, this copper sulfate substance is completely presenting that blue color to this copper sulfate. Now I will show the copper sulfate to you. See here, take the chemical on this watch glass. Okay. Now see here. Take water. What are these things? Resources. Okay. What is the use of these resources? What is the use of these resources? Yes, it will help us a lot in our daily life. Okay, see that. If people are able to help to the country, if people are able to produce something to the country, what it is called? If people are able to give something to the country, or production or service, whatever it is called. Anybody else? Human resource. Yes, exactly. Similar. Okay, today let us discuss about the topic human resource. Just see this one. Anyone?
3.28 million square kilometers.
Okay, 3.28 million square kilometers. We know very well. 3.28 million square kilometers. Any one of you can say the population of India according to the 2011 census. Girls, from girls anyone? 121 crores of the population exactly. Okay, we know estimate the quality of population. For example, if you see, quality of population is nothing but the population which is possessing good health, education and skill or training. Once again listen, quality of population is nothing but the population which is possessing or which is having good health condition, education and training or skill. What are these to become a quality of population? Means entire population, 121 crores of the population or 126 crores of the population will not be called as a quality of population. In these different kinds of people will be. Means that is called base composition, we will discuss later. Okay. So that quality of population is nothing but the population which is possessing the health, education and training. For example, health means what kind of things are required for the health? We must have nutritious food and for health condition we must have good hospitality and medical care facilities are required for the maintaining good health condition. For example, you are keeping some investment on your health. Do you know that? Means you are having some dietary food, means some nutritious food you are taking daily in your life to have a good health condition, because that kind of population will be the quality of population and it will be useful for the country's development and to generate the income, otherwise to develop the country's internal way. Courses Means it may be engineer or doctor, lawyer, teacher, whoever it may be. You must possess any one kind of density of population. You know very well about the population. It is nothing but the number of people in one territorial area or one area. That is called population. We can find more densely populated areas. More density of population can be found in these areas, especially in the plain regions, because plain regions are very, very comfortable and favorable for the human living. Understood? Come to the, for example, you know, in Rajasthan, what kind of platforms can be found? Rajasthan. Tar. What is that? Tar is that. Means completely sand area, and it is arid region also. Arid means it's like a dried area, and it will not be much useful for the human living. Okay, so that here this landform will not be useful for the people, so that the density of population will be very less in this kind of arid regions. Understood? Means here one factor we need to understand that on the basis of the relief features, on the basis of the landforms, on the basis of the climatic conditions, the population will be vary from one place to